Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix your chat on Roblox if it is not working. As you can see, your chat settings prevents you from sending messages. So for this to be able to fix, you just have to go on over to your settings here on your Roblox. So just leave the game and let's go on over to our settings here. Go over to our privacy here. And under communication, make sure that it is set to custom and enter your PIN if you have one. So over here, you just have to make sure that this three settings here is not set to no one like there. So either friends or anything or everyone, just make sure it is not set to no one. So as you can see, it is now saved. Make sure it is saved. And let's go back to that game and see if it worked. So as you can see, we've now fixed this error and you can now freely uh, chat on Roblox. So as you can see there, it is now working and there. So as you can see guys, we've now fixed the issue. Thank you for watching and goodbye.